and I help hundreds of students just like you to grow their businesses and career in this complete digital marketing course. Now in this course we are going to cover market research and how to set up a website, email marketing, copywriting, SEO, and YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, Google ads, Google Analytics, Instagram marketing, Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn, Facebook ads, and app marketing as well. So I have designed this course to give you a practical skills that you can use right away at the end of each section as an assignment, so you can implement what you have learned. Now, if you want to grow your own business from online from scratches, then I would recommend you to complete these assignments in sequence, because they really progress in a sequential order, in the logical order, starting with the market research and then setting up your website, and then driving traffic and sales if you want to grow a particular marketing channel. So let's take for example YouTube for an existing business or do promote affiliate product. Then feel free to jump ahead of that section. So each section that I've designed to work as a standalone course. So if you want to work as a freelancer marketeer, then you can essentially sell each of the completed assignment in this course as a service, and you can bundle up all of these services as and sell them as packages as well. For example, you can easily get a client to pay $500 to you to set up a website and install Google Analytics for them and throw traffic to Facebook ads as well, and you can easily be getting $1,000 per client. So if you want to get a job in digital marketing, then you don't need to complete this assignment. But in this course so in this course you can walk into from scratch to the advanced level. And if you want to get a job and want to have an interview, so go there and walk in confidently and say I can do these ABCD and XYZ for you as well. And the interviewer might be able to negotiate a better salary based on this conversation alone. So welcome to my course. And digital marketing has allowed me to create and freedom for myself, so I'm really excited to share everything that I've learned with you in this course. So let's get started. To get more videos on digital marketing and social media marketing, subscribe the channel right now and right away.